Hi everyone, welcome to my channel.
In this video, we will see how to uninstall Phoenix Code on Windows. We can uninstall Phoenix Code by three methods. We can uninstall it via the Phoenix Code uninstaller, via Windows settings, or via the control panel. You can follow any one of these three methods to uninstall Phoenix Code on Windows. So first, let us see how to uninstall Phoenix Code via Phoenix Code Uninstaller. For this, go to the location where Phoenix Code was installed. So in this system, it was installed in AppData local folder. So go to the location where Phoenix Code was installed and double click on the uninstall.exe. Check the box, delete application data and click uninstall. So the uninstallation has started. Wait for it to complete. So now the uninstallation is complete. Click on close. So you can see that the Phoenix Code folder is empty. Click on local and here search for Phoenix Code. So you will see that the folder is removed. So this confirms that Phoenix Code is uninstalled successfully via the Phoenix Code uninstaller. Next, let us see how to uninstall Phoenix Code via Windows settings. For this, press Windows I. This opens up Windows settings. Click on apps, installed apps. So now in search, type Phoenix Code. So you can see that Phoenix Code is listed here. Click on the three dots and click on uninstall, uninstall. Now check the box, delete application data and click on uninstall. So now the uninstallation has started. Wait for it to complete. Now the uninstallation is complete. Click on close. Here you can see that Phoenix Code is removed from the listed applications. So this confirms that we have uninstalled Phoenix Code successfully via the Windows settings. So now let us see how to uninstall Phoenix Code via control panel. For this, press Windows R and type appwiz.cpl and press enter. So this opens up the programs and features of control panel. Click on Phoenix Code and click uninstall. Check the box, delete application data and click on uninstall. So now the uninstallation has started. Wait for it to complete. So now the uninstallation is complete. Click on close. And we can see that Phoenix Code is removed from the listed programs. So these are the three ways by which you can uninstall Phoenix Code on Windows. So you can uninstall it via the Phoenix Code uninstaller or via the Windows settings or via the control panel. You can follow one of these three methods to uninstall Phoenix Code on Windows. Once we are done with the uninstallation, we need to remove Phoenix Code from path. For this, press Windows R and type system.cpl and press enter. This opens up the system properties. Go to Advanced tab, click on Environmental Variables. Here under System Variables, click on Path and click Edit. Here click on the Phoenix Code path. Now click on Delete. So this has deleted the Phoenix Code path. Now click on OK. Click on OK. Click on OK again. So now we have successfully removed Phoenix Code from path. Next, we need to do the verification if the uninstallation was successful. For this, press Windows R and type cmd, press enter. This opens up the command prompt. Here type Phoenix Code within quotes and press enter. So you get Phoenix Code is not recognized. So this confirms that Phoenix Code has been uninstalled successfully on Windows. So these are the steps we need to follow to uninstall Phoenix Code on Windows. I have prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.